here, guys. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same spot we had last year too. Here. I think this is the same spot as last year.
Because this part.
And we can walk down by that tree. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and unload this car real quick. What's up guys? So I know we missed a couple videos, but we've just been trying to beat the heat and enjoy the summer. As you guys know, Kaylee's in school, so when she's off like this, we like to do little trips and stuff like that. So last week we were in Tahoe, and this week we are camping, as you guys just seen. I did work last night, so I'm a bit tired, which is why I'm probably not as energetic, but either way I'm still excited to be out here. A couple of you guys asked for some camping footage with the 4runner, so that's what this is. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Yeah, we're out here in Truckee, which is on the way to Reno. This is our second time at this specific spot itself and this exact same lot number, and we like it because it's literally right next to the water. It's not too far from like a little town, maybe it's like 5-10 minutes away, so if we need supplies and stuff, you know, we can just head into town, get some food. Like today we might go to eat dinner in town because it's almost 7 o'clock and we just got here, so we don't really have anything planned. We didn't have anything planned for dinner, at least prepped, so that's probably why we're gonna go check out town. Plus we gotta go to the store anyway, fill up the cooler with ice and stuff like that. I'll show you guys our little camp setup. It's nothing spectacular, it's just your basic necessities, but it does the job for us. So the 4runner is all set up. I think Christine and Kaylee might be sleeping in here. So we have a cushion topper on as SUV air mattress. It used to fit us three comfortably nice, but obviously Kaylee's getting a lot older now, so it's a lot harder for all of us to fit back there. So I might try to fit in there, but if not, we got the tent. Yeah, anyway, this screen is super cool. It was on Amazon, and these things, I always seen people have these nets on their windows, but it's breathable and it just slides right on and off. So this is the rig right here, guys. This is our 2003 Toyota 4runner. It is a 4th gen 4runner, and there's not really too much love for 4th gens. I honestly didn't like it before we got it, but now this is my favorite 4runner. So a lot of people ask me what is the tire combination and lift on this truck, because I don't know, I think it looks really good, and so does other people. But starting off with the wheels, these are 20 by 12. I don't know what the offset is. It's like -40 something, I believe, but we are also running 2-inch spacers, so that's what gives us all of this poke that everybody likes. So it just makes the truck look really wide. We also are running, for suspension wires, Bilstein 5100s. These are the adjustable ones for the front, so the second to the last notch is what I'm running on the front from the top, and I'm also still running a spacer on the actual shock itself, and I also have a 2 or 3 inch body lift all the way around. So all of that adding up, it's around a 6-inch lift. But I'm also running the Firestone bags in the rear, which I pump up every now and then, and that also gives the truck a little bit more height in the rear. But I don't know, guys, it's a basic rig. It works. We also have a pop-up tent on the side. Not pop-up tent, but pop-up awning. So on hot days and stuff, we will bring this out. We use it on track days a lot before, but it's just a nice little add-on. I do want to put a, you know, full-length roof rack on the truck later, but we haven't been able to use it. Everything that we take for camping usually fits in the back of the truck anyway, so I haven't really needed a roof rack. I barely even use the stock roof racks, so I don't justify spending, you know, $500-600 bucks on some roof racks. But yeah, guys, this is the truck. A lot of people ask about it, especially on IG when they see, because I have older videos of like installing the tires and stuff, and it's it's get a lot of questions from 4runner guys, but anyway, this is the rig right here. Just checking on Christine. Okay. This is my seat right here, guys. So we're pretty much gonna eat dinner, guys, and call it a night. I had a long day. Like I said, I worked last night, so when I got home this morning, we kind of packed up and headed out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat dinner and probably crash out. Catch you guys in the morning, all right? Okay, let me just show you guys the truck real quick. Gee, check it out. Sleeping quarters. Looks sick, yeah? Make it a little bit more cozy. Okay, guys. We're gonna eat dinner. Good morning, everybody. It is day number 2, our last full day here. Last night was pretty good. It was a little bit warm in the evening, and then it got pretty cold in the morning. But other than that, pretty solid night. Just checking out the water now. I don't think I took you guys down here. Let's go down here right now. Yeah, try not to fall down. Well, there is ducks right there. You probably can't see them. They just went behind the grass, but yeah, there's some ducks out here, guys. I think they're ducks. I'm probably gonna go in the water today. We're actually not that far away from North Lake Tahoe, so we're probably gonna go check that out. I haven't been up there in a minute. We just came back from South Tahoe the other week, last week actually. So it'd be cool to see if there's any difference. Probably not, but you know, we're gonna go check it out regardless. I think we're gonna go cook up some breakfast first, and then plan out the day. I just want to give you guys an update on how the camping trip's going. It's going good, you know. I'm not trying to film too much also, but I do want to show you guys a little bit of what our camping trips look like. And for the most part, I just like to relax, you know, get away from the hustle and the bustle of the cars and my work. And you know, it's nice to just get out in nature and enjoy it. It's a good little reset, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cook up some breakfast right now. Cheap breakfast is served. We got some leftover steak, bacon, and 2 over easy eggs. Mahalos to the chef. And that little girl over there forgot her bathing suit, so she can't go in the water. She forgot her bathing suit. Okay, let's grind. This is down and dirty camping. We're not like the super aesthetic campers that you see on YouTube. You know what? That's okay. We'll probably have more fun anyways. So we made it to, I believe this is called Kings Beach, North Lake Tahoe. The beach though is super packed. There's no parking, but the beach is right there. So I don't think we're gonna swim, but we are gonna walk up and down this strip and just see what it's all about. And then probably head back and just swim in the river. So let's go check it out. Look at how packed this beach is. and it's all the way down packed. So I don't think we're gonna swim today. Look at how many people are at this little beach. So much people. Sick. We're gonna try this little diner. We decided to leave the beach place, and then we saw this on the side of the road. So we're in Truckee right now. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Look at this cool little diner. Shakes. Woo! All right, guys. So we're back. We stopped off at a couple places after we ate at the diner. We saw this cool little thrift shop, so Christine wanted to stop, so we ended up going there. Found Kaylee a swimsuit because she actually forgot hers at home. And I think now we're gonna go ahead and chill in this river for the rest of the day. Then later tonight, we're gonna go back because they have this little like night festival thing going on. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out, you know, later on after in the evening time. So we're gonna jump in this river right now. It's probably gonna be super cold, but it's what we're here for. We're here to have some fun. Bro, we just cruising in this river. It's actually not that cold. It's cold, but it's not super cold. But it's also flowing, which is nice. So we're gonna just cruise, guys, in case you guys ever get out. So we were cruising in the water, and then Kaylee gets all scared. And I was closing my eyes in the sun like this. And then Kaylee jumps off of her tube and runs to Christine and is like, Mommy, Mommy, there's a frog on Daddy's leg. And then I look, and there's a frog just chilling on me. So I kicked it off, and I just found it cruising. Here, check this out. Right there, cruising. Found him after a little bit, and he was just staring at me. He was all salty I ruined his cruise spot. But anyway, I think we're gonna get ready. We're gonna head to that downtown Truckee thing. So let's go check it out.
So we just got to downtown Truckee, and it's cool because there's so many different stalls. It's like a little farmer's market.
Oh, it's 3D printed. I wonder how many people would sit in the back and the front.
Oh yeah. This is so cool. This is a super old fire truck. Look at this mail truck.
That thing looks sick as heck.
Oh, that's so cool.
What the heck? So we left the little night market thing, and we're gonna go get some dinner ingredients at the grocery store. We also got some firewood so we can have a little fire tonight on our last night, and yeah, it's gonna be sick. Alrighty guys, final night. Christine got the salmon and the steak and the sausage again. Round 2 with the zucchinis this time. That's alright, it's pretty good. So we're gonna grind. Like I said, we're gonna start a fire. But I'll get back to you guys shortly because I gotta fight off all these bugs. You can't see it, but there's all these bugs right here. So I might have to start this fire. Okay guys, we got the fire going. Thanks to my neighbor over here. He gave me some of that gasoline. So we're just probably gonna let this bugger burn and chill out by the fire, pack up for the night, and we're heading home tomorrow. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's our little camping trip right there. Yeah, like I said, sometimes it's good to just get out, relax, reset, you know, get away from the hustle and the bustle, and just do things like this, you know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's like a little bit of a different kind of a content, but you know, a couple people asked for it, so I figured we show you guys what our little camping trips look like. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. You know, there should be more car content coming, so stay tuned for that. All right. Peace out and stay good.